respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. I am Sumaya, I am from Ghosi. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I am going to talk about importance of education. Before starting, I would like to speak some line in Hindi. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंख से कुछ नहीं होता यारों, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. I would like to start my speech. Today I am here to share my views about importance of education. Education plays a very important role in our life. It helps us to be successful and to be a better person. Education improves our knowledge, skills, confidence level and personality. In today's competitive world, good education is very important role in our life. Good education has become a necessity. Higher education helps in getting good job and position. Education also prepares people for different life experiences. It helps us people to have special status in society. Education helps us take right decision. A person having good education like good career. A person having good education become good citizen of the country. There are many benefits. Good education like having good career improve self-confidence. Better education is very important for everyone to get succeed in life. Education is very important tool for our bright future. Education is very important. Teaches the ability to read and write. Without education, we cannot achieve any success in life. Education has to grow in life. I would like to finish my topic. Before finishing, I would like to say some line in Hindi. अभी खामोशी है फिर शोर आएगा. अभी खामोशी है फिर शोर आएगा. तुम्हारा वक्त आया है, हमारा दौर आएगा. I would like to speak some line in English. Silence is the best answer for all questions. Smiling is the best gesture